Corroserve offers a comprehensive range of materials and innovative corrosion engineering solutions. Designed to negate the effects of corrosion, these coatings offer the best long-term protection for all types of equipment and structures. One such innovation is the Corroserve Composite Structural Rehabilitation System, which uses specialist coatings interlaid with glass matting. This system refurbishes and restores structural integrity to pipework and other components at a fraction of the cost and inconvenience of replacement. The Corroserve CSR system has the advantage of being a cold repair system, so no hot work is required on site, meaning that the repair can often be completed online, leading to less downtime. The Corroserve CSR system is compliant to ISO 24817 with the tensile testing required under the standard being carried out independently at Strathclyde University's Advanced Materials Research Laboratory. This video demonstrates the technique of pipe wrapping and reveals just how structurally strong a completed CSR repair is. Each repair is uniquely designed to meet specific service demands, and the design factors considered include size and geometry of the defect, operating temperature and pressure, and remaining wall thickness, whereby a thin wall defect is classed Type A and through wall defect is Type B. Preparation is key to success, so the surface around the site of the repair should be blasted to SA 2.5 to provide a minimum surface profile of 50 microns. The site is then primed by working a CSR2 coating into the prepared profile with a brush. Any pitting evident at this point should be filled with CSR3. A first layer, consisting of 2 sheets of glass matting, is wetted out with CSR1 laminate resin. This is applied and allowed to cure, ensuring the matting overlap is not over the damaged site. After curing, the repair section is rubbed down to remove any nibs, and a further coat of CSR2 is applied before a second layer of matting comprising of 2 further wraps. This is applied in an overlap spiral to add further composite strength to the finished repair. If required, further layers can be added depending on the operating pressure. However, in many cases, only 1 layer is required. Corroserve trains worldwide partners to the highest installer standards, encompassing both theory and practical pipe wrapping on straight lengths, bends and T-pieces. All completed test pieces for Type A and Type B approval are subject to inspection and a short-term pressure survival test. The test must retain a minimum pressure in order for the delegate to be approved as a trained licensee. Corroserve's CSR repairs are incredibly strong, and this can be demonstrated in a pressure test on a pipe with a 25mm through-wall defect. The CSR system is designed to withstand a higher pressure than that required of the repair. To demonstrate the high tensile strength of the CSR material, a cured length of CSR wrapping was attached to a lifting crane. 2 pallets of sand weighing over 2 metric tons were then lifted with no deformation of the CSR sample piece. It really is that strong. Corroserve has professionally trained and qualified partners located across the globe, so get in touch to discover your nearest licensed partner and let Corroserve wrap up your problems once and for all.